Hey, it's Denise Bergson with Luxury Travel Adventures. I am here in Cabo at Las Ventanas, and I am going to give you a room tour. This is an Oceanview double, and that is because this is a little bit of a girls' trip. And so I'm here with my sister and my niece. So normally you would just have, most rooms have a king bed. There's a really nice tequila welcome amenity when you come in. And then you just have to excuse the luggage. So yes, it's my sister's birthday. So we have a really nice birthday setup here. And again, that really nice welcome amenities. Make your own margaritas, some chocolate covered figs, some air dried beef, some cheese, some grapes. So again, 2 double beds, a wood burning fireplace, which clearly we don't need right now. You're safe, an espresso machine. There's plenty of complimentary water. There is, of course, a mini bar that is not complimentary. TV, lots of storage. Safe, blankets, slippers, bathrobes. And again, this is a junior suite double Oceanview. And you have double sinks. And you can close that window. Double sinks, Bulgari bath amenities, a nice big shower. Everyone knows what a toilet looks like. And then there's some really nice high ceilings in here that I really like. And then here, the outdoor space is really pretty. We are in building number 500, which is kind of right in the middle of the property. So this is the outdoor space. And we're overlooking one of the restaurants. This is the main pool. And I mean, we take a few steps down and we're right in the main pool with our ocean view. That's the Sea Grill restaurant. Further behind this restaurant that's closer to us, this is where they serve breakfast, and at night it becomes an Italian restaurant. So there you have it. So this is the junior suite double, Oceanview. We happen to be in building 500 here at Las Ventanas in Cabo, Mexico. Okay, there you go, Las Ventanas.